Guys, what's up? Today I'm playing Animal Jam, and I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I'm sorry. Don't shoot me out in the comments just because I haven't uploaded a video for a while. Please don't bite my head off. I'm sorry. Just things have been crazy. So yeah, so I'm playing Animal Jam today. And if you have any suggestions for games that aren't horror, and they have to be like free in the Play Store, or like if you want me to play Minecraft on the phone, I could do that. I have my ways of getting it for free. I will not tell you. So yeah, hope you enjoy. And yeah, post some comments down below of what you think I should play, because I don't have very many games. Why is this taking forever? Okay, you know what? I changed my mind. I'm not playing Animal Jam. I'm gonna play this instead. Because Animal Jam's taking forever. So yeah. Why is this one taking forever to load? I like this game too. It's pretty fun. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, not horror games, because I don't like getting jump scared. I don't care how much you guys want to hear me scream. No, I refuse. No. No. I don't want it. I just want to play my goddamn game. YouTube, please don't demonetize me for that. I'm sorry. This game sometimes gets on my nerves. Do I get my daily bonus? No. Are you kidding me, bruh? Really, bitch? Really? Don't demonetize me, please. I've just started out. I don't want my videos to be demonetized already. Oh, click wrong thing. Move. I want that, but it costs money. Oh my god. You don't stop. So yeah. I made myself feel special. Cause you know what? Why the frick not? Made myself feel special. So yeah, if there's like a certain game that you want me to play and it's not a horror game, then I'll check it out. download it, and I'll see what's up. And if I like it, then I'll play it. If I don't, then I won't. Okay, you're getting on my nerves. So yeah. I will attack you wherever they go. Okay, frick. You fail. I'm gonna electric go! Electric you! I'm gonna kick butt. I like to kick some butt. Really, bish? Really? Really, bro? You little punk. I'm gonna zap you! You're wrecked. You was crooked. Are you kidding me? Goddamn. Electric go! Ha! Oh, frick. Got it. Oh no, it missed. Yay! Got it! I won! That sucked. That sucked so bad. Okay, we'll see you. Bye!